Hey class, welcome to the final video of week 1 assignment. And I've done some trial and error kind of some things here with resizing in discussion posts. I just want to see what works best. And mine is only at let's see, 640 pixels here, and when I put that into the discussion post, you'll see here what happens. So if we go into discussions, and I'm going to just pretend like I'm going to be, this is our first discussion. This is what you'll see. And I'll say start new thread. All right, I'm just putting test. All right, and I'm going to load an image. And I think that I don't know. I think this one is 640. So it's not huge. It's pretty small. So if it's 1,000, it'd probably be about this large. But what I don't want, if you put a 3,000 pixel image in here, it's gonna, just be enormous. So this still, I think, is reasonable. It's small, but I think it will be okay. All right, so that's what that'll look like in your discussion post at about 600 pixels. If you want a little bigger, I say max 1,000. 600 might be a little small. Let's shoot for 800. So if you've got your PSD file here, mine's already smaller than that. So you're going to want to change this number here. So say it's at, say it's at 2,000. You want to bring it down to 800. You just type in 800. I'm going to type 500, and it'll resample everything else. Okay, if you have it selected this way, resample automatic. And whatever you put in here, it's going to change the other number. You don't want to go high. You never want, if it's at 300, you don't want to go up to 1,000 because you'll lose quality. All right, so let's stick with only making your image smaller. All right, so let's say I did that, and then you're going to say you can't put a Photoshop image in your discussion post. So you'll say JPEG. All right, you can save it as a JPEG, and just put final, because you're going to use this one not only for your discussion post, but you're going to use it for in the assignment folder where I'll be grading you. So just put week 1, your first initial, your last name, final, and you'll save it as a JPEG. And you'll say save. And it's going to say replace because I already have one like that. And then you're good. And when you close this, if you haven't made, you don't want to save changes on your PSD file, because remember, if you made it smaller, you want to maybe keep your layered PSD file full size. All right, so I'm going to just close it without saving changes. So that's it.